Today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course, and we're still doing our training and optimization module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, if you recall, yesterday we went over with the optimizers, and we're going to pick up where we left off. So, also many times by default or from many experiments, starting out with 0.001, it's going to be a good idea. But note, we could always change this. We could feel free to change this and make it a larger value. Recall that if we take a larger value, our training is going to be faster, but risk divergent. That is risk not leaving us towards the minimal loss. Whereas if we make it too small, then we could converge. But our training is going to take too much time. So this value is kind of a great one time or a great one that is very commonly used now practically for this item optimizer. We have parameters beta 1 and beta 2. Now our beta 1 max and beta 2 max are all 1. So taking a value like zero point 0.9 and 0.99 means we're taking higher values of beta 1 and beta 2. If we want to speed up our training, we want to increase the values of beta 1 and beta 2. By default, this is going to be set to zero point 0.9 and 0.99. We actually ran some models today, some new models, and give you a look at that. We ran the model.compile optimizer equals atom function, and that was a new one we ran today. We actually ran it in our data preparation function. Let me get a look at that. Well, you don't have to see it. You know what our data preparation function looks like. So we ran it over there and we just transported the answers over here. And as you can see, we have a list of our losses. That's this here. This is a rather large file. You see, we got to 1,000 lines of codes from 6. But that's not the all of the losses here. We can actually get back all of our losses if we put our function inside of a variable, which we did in our training optimization 2 file because this one got too large. So let's have a look at that. And this is our training 2 optimization file. And you can see here we have a variable history equals model.fit. And this is going to help us get back all of our losses from running our training module or training model. So you can see here this is a much larger return. It's actually going to bring back all of our losses, not just some of them. So yes, that's what the history did for us. That's what the variable did for us. It helps bring back all of our losses after training our models. And that's basically what we did all morning. We did different functions running on our models just to see different outcomes and different expectations. But I'll keep you guys posted every step of the way as usual. This is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.